In this video, we are going to see 1.7.5 bijection. Bijection is nothing but one-to-one function and a one-to function. See the definition. If a function f from a to b, see this definition, f from a to b is both one to one and on to, then f is called bijection from a to b. Okay, already we have seen this paragraph in one video. So now we are going to see illustration 14 and 15 in this video. Okay, and also this definition of bijection. Okay, see the example 14, one to one and on to function. That means bijection. Okay, bijection function. In this example, see, distinct elements of a have distinct images in b, and every element in b has a pre-image in a. That means what is one-to-one function? Distinct element of a have distinct images in b. See, elements of a is 1 2 3. It have these elements have distinct images. See, the image for 1 is w, 2 is z, 3 is x. Okay, so this function from a to b is a one-to-one function, and on to condition is every element in b has a pre-image in a. So see how many elements in b? W, x, z. So w has a pre-image 1, and x has a pre-image 3, z has a pre-image 2. So all the elements in b have pre-image in a. So it satisfies the on to condition also. Therefore this is the example for bijection function. Okay, next see the illustration 15, one to one, many to one. Okay, so see, already we have seen one-to-one condition and many-to-one condition. That means distinct element of one-to-one condition is nothing but distinct element of a have distinct images in b. See, these are all the distinct elements in a, and these are all the distinct elements in b. See, one element of a, 1, has distinct image a. Okay, then 2 has image b, 3 d, 4 c. So all the images are different images. Okay, so it satisfies the one-to-one condition, and many-to-one condition is nothing but two or more elements of a have same image in b. Okay, see the element 1 in a has image a in b, then 2 in a has image a in b. So 1 and 2 have the same image a. So it satisfies this condition. Therefore it is many to one condition. Okay, then see the note. A one-to-one and on-to function is also called a one-to-one correspondence. Okay, one-to-one. If it satisfies on-to condition means correspondence, one-to-one correspondence. Then thinking corner. Can there be a one-to-many function? Okay, in this example we have seen many to one function only, but one to many function is also available. That means if a teacher teaches mathematics lesson to 50 students, means one to many function. That function is a one to many function. That is the example for one to many function. Okay, next see this on to condition. On to definition is range of f is equal to codomain. Here see, element set A has 4 elements 1 2 3 4, and B has 3 elements A B C, and codomain is B set, domain is A set, and range means one is 1 has image A, 2 has image A, and 3 has image B, 4 has image C. So all the elements in the codomain has pre-image in the domain. Therefore, the range, the here codomain is equal to the range equal to ABC. Codomain is also ABC. Therefore, it satisfies the onto condition. Every element in B has pre-image in A, and also see, A has a pre-image, B has a pre-image, and C is also has a pre-image. Okay, therefore onto, this is the example for onto. Then into function means the definition is range of F is a proper subset of codomain. Okay, range of F. So F range is, this is B set is codomain set and A set is domain. Then connected elements, those those elements have the pre-image, that elements are called range. Okay, so here we can see the A has pre-image, B has pre-image, C has pre-image, and D is also has pre-image, but E and F does not have a pre-image. Therefore, this is not a into function. There exists at least one element in B which is not the image of any element of A. So E is not a image of any element in A, and F is also not a image of any element in A. So therefore, and also this range ABCD is a proper subset of the codomain ABCDEF. Okay, codomain elements are ABCDEF and range elements are ABCD. So it is a subset of this one. Okay, it satisfies this condition, therefore it is a into function. This is the example for into function. Thank you.